Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we're going to focus on adding places and settings. Let's give it a go.
Being able to quickly access the settings in your novel creates depth and consistency. Select Writing Templates from the menu on the left side. Then select Settings from the list of templates. Give the setting a title and select the book to which it belongs. Fill out any relevant information about your settings and click Save. The setting description is now displayed in the list of settings. To access these settings anytime, simply select My Saved Templates under the Writing Templates heading. Then select the book you'd like to take a look at.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.